Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy a beautiful necklace bracelet design for hand embroidery. So, hand embroidery necklace and bracelet with seed and bead. Some beautiful type I will define. Bead embroidery flower necklace. This necklace features a delicate flower design made with seed beads. The flower is in shades of pink, purple, and blue, and it is surrounded by leaves and vines. The necklace is finished with a silver chain. Second one is bead embroidery mandala bracelet. This bracelet features a mandala design made with seed beads. The mandala is in shades of blue, green, and yellow, and it is made up of different shapes and patterns. The bracelet is finished with a silver clasp. Third one is bead embroidery geometric necklace. This necklace features a geometric design made with seed beads. The design is in shades of red, orange, and yellow, and it is made up of different shapes and lines. The necklace is finished with a gold chain. And other one is bead embroidery letter necklace. This necklace features a letter made with seed beads. The letter can be customized to any letter of the alphabet, and it can be embroidered in any color. The necklace is finished with a silver chain. Some additional tips for adding seed beads to hand embroidery. Choose needle, bleeding thread. Start by threading a few beads onto the needle before doing stitching. And so guys, enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.